Okay, so I'm finally set up on this inner shock disassembly process. On the end, I've got my spindle nut, which has been slightly modified. My spindle nut remover, I cut off 2 of the lugs so it fits snugly into the brass collar. This also acts as a retainer for this seal and holds the piston on the inside. It keeps it in the cylinder here. But I went ahead and supported my assembly with a couple of 2x4 blocks. I've got it clamped into the homemade jig that I made to hold this and remove this this shock piston assembly. And I've got my breaker bar on it now. Looks like a really good fit, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little heat on it just to kind of persuade it a little without trying to damage the seal. I really want to stay off that seal, but anyways, wish me luck. Come on, baby. I'm gonna have to stop the recording to do this.